Welcome to How to Edit Georgia First Marketplace Favorites and Folders. When you have completed this lesson, you will be able to move or copy favorite items to a different folder, edit a favorite item, and delete a favorite item or folder. Now that you know how to add favorite items to your cart, let's talk about editing our favorites and folders. First, let's go to the Favorites tab. I'll click on Department A. Notice that we have 4 items under Department A Office Supplies. Now we'll click on Department B Office Supplies. As you can see, nothing has been added. Let's copy an item from the Department A folder to the Department B folder. We'll return to Department A Office Supplies and copy the Bic pens to Department B. To do this, we'll select the copy link for this item. The pop-up box will first require that you select the destination folder. Since we are copying these items from Department A to Department B, we'll click the Department B Office Supplies link. Then we'll select Save Changes. Since we copied the pens, they remain in the Department A folder. But if we select the Department B folder again, we can see that the item was successfully copied to this folder. If you want to edit a favorite item, you can do so by clicking the Edit link. When editing favorites, you can update the item nickname and the quantity. I'll edit the Bic pens. I'll change the nickname to Pens for Rob. I'll change the quantity to 10. And I'll click the Save Changes button. Note that our name has changed to Pens for Rob and we now have 10 in our quantity. You can also delete an item from your favorites. Again, we'll use the Bic pens as our example. In order to delete a favorite, click the Delete link. Then click Yes. The item is then deleted as a favorite. There may be times when you want to edit or delete an entire folder. To do so, highlight the folder and click the Folder Actions link. Click Edit to change the name or description of the folder. We'll delete our Department B Office Supplies folder since we don't have anything in it. We click Delete and then we click Yes. As you can see, we no longer have a Department B Office Supplies folder. You should now see how easy it is to manage and set up a personalized folder structure that is most effective for you. This brings us to the end of this lesson. You should now be able to move or copy favorite items to a different folder, edit a favorite item, and delete a favorite item or folder. If you have further questions, please contact the ITS Help Desk at helpdesk@usg.edu. Thank you for attending.